Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by turning off the HVAC breaker so you work safely and prevent shorts. Remove the old thermostat and immediately photograph the wire layout. This preserves terminal mapping. Next, you label each conductor with the terminal letter it came from R, W, Y, G, C, because accurate labels prevent miswiring. Once done, test that no voltage is present. Now you're ready to mount the Nest base and route wires. This early care avoids rework later. You position the Nest base over the wall plate and feed the labeled wires through the center so they reach the push-connect ports easily. Insert each wire straight into its matching connector, R to R, W to W, Y to Y, G to G, and C to C, and press firmly until the wire seats. You'll feel a slight click when it's secure. Once all wires are in place, screw the base to the wall so it sits flush. This ensures stable connections and proper sensor alignment. You restore power at the breaker and watch the Nest boot. It will walk you through language, Wi-Fi, and system type choices because it needs that info to control heating and cooling correctly. Follow the on-screen prompts and run the system tests for heat, cool, and fan to confirm each stage responds. If the thermostat doesn't power, check the C-wire connection and the HVAC fuse. If no C-wire is available, use a common wire adapter. This single check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.